His pocket, straight in, straight out, sold them, got the profit, and delighted.
What are all of our dealers' quids in with the items they bought today? Instead of cashing in Sue's jacket,
Did you take it?
attached.
Still haven't got out the occasion to it.
Monkey's video.
I think I'll hold it for a bit longer.
And a surveyor's measure?
Yeah, still got that.
So what I'm going to do is put that tenner down to make it 250. I think that's all right.
But Alice wasted no time finding a new home for the vase.
I actually got a £50 profit and sold it for £300. So thanks very much.
360. How much is that? Oh, good a deal. I'm so happy with that.
But today's brightest dealer is Alison.
I have made £80 so far, so I'm a happy chappers.
Don't forget to join me, David Dickinson, next time for Dickinson's Real Deal.
Oh, no.
And don't you be late, because I'll be waiting for you.
Cute, isn't she?
Hey, Mum, hey.
Hey.
Written by Russell T Davis and based on the true story of a
Yes.
icon.
He's stuck.
The X